26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 46. And I shall come. Whoa! I know somebody in here. Yep, I think that's alright.
I'm standing under Toby's bed.
What is Yes, Daniel. Yes, good.
We're the Boy Family!
All right, we are in the land of Israel. We're cooking, because that's what we do to save money. So in the oven I got this. I don't know what they call it here, but essentially it's meat on a stick. So that's in the oven. I'm gonna fry some potatoes in the pan with garlic and oil and a little bit of onion. I will make a nice veggie salad and yum 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 in the tum. Although, I think I've been enjoying myself a little too much, you know what I mean?
Hello.
I trashed it.
You wanna help me?
I
know I'll do it. Right here? Right here?
Yes. I gotta get my one paper.
You're like a lonely puppy with lost his smell. Get in a fight!
You know you can cross it anytime.
Yes, you will!
The music was louder.
So we decided to take the kids out to the park. We've actually been pretty much heading to playgrounds almost every day because here in Eilat there is a playground or two on every block. Like, they're everywhere within a 10 or 15 minute walk. We've been to about 10 or 12 playgrounds. They're all a little bit different. Some are really geared towards littler kids like Levi, and some of them are geared to the older kids, and some have a good mix of both. It's been a lot of fun and just been good fresh air. Really just relaxing and pretty chill.
Alex, where are we going today?
To the barber shop
Why?
to get my hair cut.
We need to get you a haircut. That smell good?
Yep. I like flowers. Looks great. He just trimmed some spray, gel, shaved. We would shave, and then he went, and then.
Okay. Nice, looking good.
It's official. We got word that Adri is gonna be back. We're probably gonna be picking her up tomorrow morning. And so we are gonna tidy up our apartment, get it all spick and span so that it's nice and comfortable for her to come back to. And we're gonna see if we can track down some paper and some tape or something like that and decorate a little bit for her. I don't know where in Eilat we can find that stuff to buy, but we're gonna try so that we can just make things a little bit special. We are so excited to see Adri. Everybody is like bursting and like counting down. So, oh, everybody's excited. So we're gonna get ready for her.
There's guacamole on these sheets. What?
Ew.
Yes, it is.
Eva, did you pick
on
one?
the sheets?
Did you pick
That's why we're washing them.
So you want to be married for 20 years?
That's it?
Suck that. Wow, it looks so nice in here. Wow, hey, I'm sure. What?
More editing. Stop.
I want you to wreck my hair.
This is the lava one. If I Joey!
All right, so we got, sorry, you're too tall.
Too tall.
We got the apartment all cleaned up and ready, and now we're heading to the store to see if we can find some decorations or some supplies so the kids can make some decorations.
We're picking up Adri
We
tomorrow,
have Adri tomorrow morning,
in Jordan.
and the kids really want to surprise her with some decorations.
So we get to go to Jordan.
That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, Michael and I are gonna go across to Jordan to Aqaba and pick Adri up and bring her back. I'm supposed to be here for decorations, and I'm buying homeschool supplies.
Seriously?
All right, we got some poster board to make a big sign. We got some balloons.
Cheese.
We got cheese, more hummus, because you can never have enough hummus. We're heading back to the apartment. I think the kids have been playing hide and seek in the apartment. So we're gonna go make our big sign and get ready for Adri. We got a big poster board to make a sign. We got balloons. How was hide and seek?
It was good.
Who won? Who won?
Bethany.
Oh.
She used the same spot like 4 times.
And she told me, she's like, this is the best.
Mom.
Did you know there's like a hideaway
tell
inside
me.
of their shelf?
Yes.
I had no idea. So she just hid in there. Let's go lemon hummus. I had no idea. Jesse was second place. He hid under my bed. I totally forgot to check under my bed.
You good?
Can I tell you what I was heading to?
Walking fast every time.
You saw him walk up and get to his feet.
And where I was hiding was in the boys' closet. I'm like, how do I get in? Because I could hear Toby counting. I'm like, uh-oh. So I bumped the top shelf and was like, in a hole. He looks at Toby and goes, and then looks and goes, what the? And he sees me in the top.
Alex tried to hold the door shut on the closet he was hiding in. I tried to open it and it was stuck. And I'm like, what the heck is going on? I'm like, it must be stuck. I was like, I rip it open, there's a hand. I'm like, and then he like starts laughing. I'm like, oh my god.
And he's like, you can't hold the door shut.
Make sure to check out Toby Boyd and watch the hide and seek video we're talking about right now. Like!
What are you up to, Bethany?
Just figuring out how I'm gonna write a welcome home, so.
You're planning before you write it on the big poster board?
Yeah.
Are you still
Nobody
wanting
tell
a ribbon along here?
Nobody tell,
Yes.
none of our viewers, you can't tell Adri.
You want a ribbon on this like
You'll
that?
ruin the surprise.
If we do the same, don't show her the blue.
If I'm FaceTiming her, I will not
Okay,
show her the
that's
balloons.
that.
Make sure to do it.
We got lots of balloons everywhere.
Yep, a lot of balloons.
Where we are all in here, this is all Eilat, Israel. Everything over there is all Aqaba, Jordan. All these mountains, everything is Aqaba. So they're gonna be coming
You're in church.
right down this waterway and to a marina that's right about here. So right across the water. What are you getting, Emmy?
Oh, Bamba.
What is Bamba?
Very good.
It's very good. Oh, you want Bamba?
Show them the bag. So this is the most popular Israeli treat that is a lot of Israeli kids take in their lunch to school. It's a fun snack. It's like a peanut butter cheesy minus the cheese.
Yeah.
Basically, it's like a cheesy, but it's peanut butter.
Okay, I'm done. Okay.
Wow.
Now you have the color.
Yes,
It looks
that's
awesome.
really good.
Hello, welcome home,
Are
Adri.
you gonna make it colorful?
It's beautiful.
Show the balloons, Mom.
Nice. That looks so awesome.
I just have to color it in now, and I'm excited for that. Sorry.
Mama, a light bulb. Light bulb.
Wow, that's a big light bulb. I love your face.
I'm going back to the kitchen. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh my god!
I just shot that.
I didn't know.
So many.
Look at that. That's amazing.
Oh my god, look at them jump.
What? 3 of them just jumped at once.
Dude, look at them jump.
Oh. So we're just fueling up in Duba. Is that what it's called? Duba? Duba. We're fueling up and then we're gonna set out for another 2-day passage and then we're gonna get to Aqaba, Jordan, and my parents are gonna pick me up. I don't know who else is coming with me. Maybe a few people will come with me.
I don't
We'll
know
see.
yet. I have to decide whether I want to see Israel or Jordan. It's a
Yeah.
hard life for me.
Yeah, it is.
Really not.
Such a
but
big decision.
It's like choosing between amazing and awesome.
Yeah, exactly.
What do
so
you do?
she's got like 2 days to decide. So yeah, my family's gonna pick me up, and I'm gonna join them in Israel for the next week. So excited!
Why?
Oh my goodness.
Wait, guys.
I just got a job.
ready,
I
ready,
just
ready?
Got a job.
You got a job?
Got a job?
Yeah, not like a job, but like a camera job.
Oh, that's so
Wait.
cool. Okay, y'all ready?
Give me a second. I need to get my story straight.
Almost gone. It's almost gone.
Oh no! So close.
Big one.
There goes the sun. There goes the sun. I say it's alright.
Oh my gosh!
I would love that. Say hi, guys. Hey, say hi.
Oh, hello. Who's this for?
YouTube.
Oh, hello, YouTube. Hello.
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 Hello, YouTube.
Hello, Puppet.
Hello,
Ja.
Guten Morgen, liebe Leute. Und bisous pour le personne français.
Leafers.
Yeah. And hello to the Dutch leavers. Wait, were you a doctor? No, you weren't.
Kate, why are you lying to them saying I'm the werewolf?
We set sail last night and it was pretty good at the beginning, but then it got really rough. And once it started getting rough, it just didn't stop. And so I went to bed, not early, but not late like everybody else. I went to bed at a decent time, but it was very rough, so I don't even know how much sleep I got because there was so much tossing and turning and rolling over and listening to the waves smash against the bottom of the boat right under my head. And it was really hot because we couldn't have the windows open because the water was all gonna get in. So we just had the little fan on in the back all night. And then I woke up at around 10 and I still didn't feel great, but I forced myself to get up long enough just to eat something because I knew that would at least get me going once I was ready to get up. And then I kind of went and laid back in bed and sort of half fell asleep again for another couple hours. And now it is, I think, 1 in the afternoon, and it's very calm. I woke up and I was like, wow, like we're not even going up and down. I think I'm gonna get up now and I'm gonna hang out with all the teenagers and just enjoy our last day on the boat before I get on.
You're just another picture to burn. Burn, 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 baby, burn. Just another picture to burn.
Kate's like, yeah.
Baby, burn.
I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh.
Let's go! Into the water! Come on, Mara, let's do it. 1, 2, 3!
Alright, last side on the boat.
So you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Brown-eyed girl.
Have you tried this new stuff, dude? It does things to the mind!
So many times my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
Crystal ball.
You know who was up at the Wizard Tower as well? The seer was at the Wizard Tower.
So are you saying that you're saying the seer?
I saw it.
We're letting the kids stay up late, and we are all waiting at the window so that we can watch Adri and the rest of the Zatara crew all come into the bay out here.
Yes.
That is the Navy
Taking a
boat
minute.
right beside us.
Dang it, we see them. Yep. It's right there. You can see the red and blue. Oh, he's got his mask light on. I don't think they can see us.
No, I don't think they can.
Because they asked him if they can see us. We just saw his light come on.
Well, those girls are probably not liking that.
Okay.
Hi.
Our neighbor already hates us.
I can see you. We can't see you anymore. You went into a little inlet area and it's just all lights over there. But we watched you until you got there.
It's a waste car boat.
Yeah.
He goes.
Hi, guys.
I'm coming home to you.
All right, so we're heading to Jordan to pick up Adri. She finally made it to Jordan. We'll pick her up, maybe grab some lunch, have some tea, and then we'll come back to Israel. So here we go.
My parents are on their way to the boat. They're just crossing the border to get into Jordan. Then they're gonna come, they're gonna meet everybody, they might look at the boat, and then I'm gonna go back with them to Israel to be with my family. Really sad to leave everybody. I've actually become close with everybody here, and I think I'm gonna try not to cry, but I might actually cry saying goodbye to everybody. But it's been a really good trip, and I'm really happy I got to have this experience and meet all these sweet, awesome people. But I'm also excited to be going back to see my family.
We made it into Jordan. All of the border guards were super friendly, really nice people. So we're just getting in a cab and heading to Adri.
Don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. I'm always feeling homesick. Oh. All I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is.
We're here in Jordan
at the
at the
marina.
marina. We're about to pick up Adri off Sailing Zatara, and I can see their.
We can see the boat.
I can see the boat.
So close, so close.
Okay, y'all, my parents are here. I'm gonna go say hi to them.
City's friendly faces.
Island float away. I let it float away.
Okay, okay.
Here comes Adri.
Oh, I can see them, I can see them, I can see them, I can see them!
Adri!
Oh my goodness, you look so dark even from a distance. Am I? Yes.
I let it float away.
You gotta do first.
We're in Jordan.
You want a hug?
Yeah. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Good. Good.
Yes.
Blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
This is not goodbye. This is
Not goodbye! This is goodbye for
I'm gonna
now.
wake up tomorrow and then you're just gonna be there. I'll just be like, oh, she's in the
That's
bathroom.
what I hope.
all day.
Wow, you're falling. You guys found McDonald's right away. I know.
Right away.
Let's see, I'm already writing a speech for the wedding, so.
You do that.
Just warm it out.
That's right.
Say hi to everybody.
That's the meat.
Just in case y'all don't come back, I'm just gonna give you one last hug.
Don't
Say
think
hi to
I'll
Peyton
need
for me.
anything from her.
Okay, I'm going now.
Guys, have
Thank
fun.
you for
have fun
having
in
me.
Petra. Take care.
Bye. Am I on?
Yeah.
I'm back.
She's back.
It's a back in town.
Get the guitar.
Oh, yeah.
Made it back across the border. We're back in Israel. We're at the apartment. All the kids get to see Adri. This is gonna be fun.
Very brown.
I don't feel brown.
Yeah, you are. Let her go first so the kids are going to attack her.
She doesn't know which
Does this
apartment
open
it's
right to the door?
Pretty much. Remember, Mom.
doesn't.
Please.
To the right. Straight. To the right.
Aww.
Yeah, a nice little movement. You locked it?
Welcome home.
Don't stop your feet.
Hi.
You got her back safely.
Emily. You're so huge, man. You're such a big boy. It's great to have Adri back.
Are you coming, Libby? Oh, he's waving at you.
Hi. Hi. Do you remember me? Did you miss Adri?
It took way longer than you expected.
And I'm great.
You're dating
All the balloons, Adri?
Yes, what the heck with all the balloons?
I didn't even get this for my birthday.
Just what the heck?
You didn't forget me.
Did you miss me?
Adri, there's one thing. We're not gonna be able to survive in our room.
It's always roasting for us, and we always turn on.
Got that getaway feeling. I'm leaving. In a truck, in a train, in a car, in a bus, in the light. Can't say going far in a rush. Got that getaway feeling. I'm leaving. We could just leave and go somewhere else. Whoa, don't stop. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't stop, 'cause I like it like that. Feeling like there is no better place than lying by your side. Now that a little taste and I'll only spoil the party anyway. 'Cause all the girls I look and found, you're the only one on my mind. This is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.